Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina from stylishnitting.com, and in today's video I want to show you how to do chain edge cast on. This is the third video from my series about different cast on methods, and let's get into it. What I like about this cast on method, you don't need to calculate how much yarn tail to leave because you will be working with the yarn coming out of the ball directly. So we make a slip knot any comfortable way you are used to it. It really doesn't make a difference. After that, we put the knitting needle into our left hand. We grab the second needle, and this cast on method consists of basically knit stitches. So what we do, we put the knitting needle as to knit into this first slip knot we made. We grab a working yarn, we basically knit it, and we put this stitch back onto the left hand needle. Now we have two stitches. Now we continue with the same procedure. Now I will show you a little bit slower. This is how it looks onto the knitting needle. We put the knitting needle knitwise into this stitch. We grab our working yarn, we pull it through the loop and put it back. Now we do it again. This cast on method can replace long tail cast on, and it's also very useful when you want to cast on X amount of stitches in the middle of the work. It is quite stretchy, and because you don't need to think about yarn tail and working only knit stitches, I think it's very comfortable cast on method. Maybe it takes a little bit more time, but the result is well worth it. I will cast on some more stitches. Now we put the knitting needle into the stitch knitwise, we grab our working yarn, we pull it through, and we put it back onto the left hand needle. This is how the cast on looks. You can start immediately to knit this row. Just make a first knit stitch and pull the first out of the needle, and you just knit basically until end of the row, or as the pattern says. This is the front, this is the back. I think it's very nice cast on method. This is my actual work in progress at the moment, where I use this cast on method. This is the sweater I'm knitting from, starting from the sleeves, and when I come to the body part, I needed to chain to cast on 50 more stitches. So this is the chain edge cast on I'm used in my work. This is how it looks on an actual garment. Pretty, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please press like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you next time. Bye!